sometimes their brains will work slowly. That means they have to put extra effort to be able to be where they are right now, because their brains take time to learn a skill, to master it, and to execute. So it takes a lot of time compared to the typical population. So thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. As I conclude, I want to appreciate the coaches. As I said, they've gone out of their way to support this team. I also want to recognize a special group, the board members of Special Olympics Kenya. These are board members who come in to serve, to give their resources and even their time and expertise to serve a population that is usually neglected. I think this is the only board that people don't draw sitting allowances. They don't get any financial compensation, but they give it their best to run this organization. And through the leadership of the chair, Mr. Thuo, I think we can pride ourselves to say we are the best run federation in this country, because we operate like a corporate company. We don't operate like just a mere sports federation. So thank you very much, Mr. Thuo and your team, for your leadership. I want to challenge each one of us. We live in a world that is wounded, deeply wounded. That's why we have walls of discrimination, stigma, and having the narrative of them versus us. Our athletes today, you've seen the joy they've brought here since morning. They are teaching us that we can live in a world that is inclusive. If we can just put aside our negative mindsets, our negative attitudes, we can live together as one. So I want to invite all of you, like Nzilani said, join us into Special Olympics. Let's change the world together. Thank you.